So these model are created in a SketchUp using a free plugin. So how to do it, guys? First you have to draw a rectangle, okay, and then you have to draw a straight line at this side. So here I'm drawing a straight line just like that, and then we will press A. Okay, now we will press A for an arc line. Now here I am drawing an arc line. Now you need to draw again a second arc line over here. Okay, now third arc line at the bottom. Okay, now delete extra lines between arc. Okay, now here we will use extrude tool. Okay, so first click on first option, then first curve, second curve, third curve, and again first curve, and select the preferences according to you. Here I am selecting a reverse face option and then quad face option. Okay, now it's perfectly a skin over a selected close curve lines. Okay, now here we need a face to create a ribs. Okay, so here I am using a hexagon. Select hexagon face, then click over here. Then again same process, select first curve, second curve, third curve, and again first curve. That's it. Select your rail type like a rail or profile or both. So here I am selecting both. Now your ribs are formed. Now I am placing this skin over here. Now here I am making all the model in a group, and then just select use a rotate tool and then press control for multiple copy and then type X and number of copies. That's it. There is a perfect dome kind of a structure form, and this plugin are free. You can download through the description, and if you like, please follow. Thank you.